standard. I've never marked someone up before, he loves it. Don't you? You love it. You love it.
Fuck off.
Anyway, here's the old wheels. Do you know what the name of the old wheels is?
Fuck knows.
You don't know what they are? Give it a quick Google. Through the power of editing, we'll sort it out. Do you know what? Do you at least know what these are? Okay. So what wheels are these?
Japan Racing JR11s wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 asymmetric.
So you went with the same tyres as me?
I did go with the same tyres as you, yeah, because I was in your car and they stopped us from dying. So
yes, they did. It's because it's the only good thing on my car. It's also a cat.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to wheel this to this. Just don't. Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, it's literally
what do you
like
reckon?
square on.
Yeah.
Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, looks good.
Stop fussing the cat, Ollie. We have work to do.
You have work to do.
Can I put these on? There's also a cat. Gonna get the cat in view. There you go. Look. There's the cat. Neighbourhood cat, just chilling next to the car, waiting to jump in it. Apparently, that cat loves to jump in cars, so we're having to keep the doors closed. Because he was telling me a story about it earlier. But I'll put some footage up of it. Oh, now it's on the car. Ollie's gonna love that. There you go. Oh my god. You couldn't make it up. Come over here and have a look at this. I just want you to feast your eyes on what's happening. Fuck off. Look at the cat on your car. You could not make it up, could you? Yeah, look, I'll get a picture. I can't believe the cat's you just scared the cat away. Oh yeah, oh yes, all those scratch marks.
That'd be fine. Little paw prints on my car.
Brilliant, that's detail. Just cats everywhere. That's Ollie's cat. What's the name? Is that Milo?
That's Milo, yeah.
Yeah, that's Milo.
You've known these cats for 2 years. You saw them the very first day I got them.
Yeah.
And
right, so once you've taken all those out, do you want the locking wheel now?
yeah. Yeah, like I did last time. Yeah, there we go. And then oh, this is the cracked wheel.
Yeah, I can tell.
That fits on that.
So yeah, so you need to.
Okay.
But you've got two because they're multi-fit. Because from where I was standing over there, it looked like these were like that in here.
Yeah.
I thought that's going to annoy you, but if you look here, it's actually quite nice. Yeah, that is like I won't lie to you. Yeah, that fitment is like perfect on the front. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, when you lift the handbrake off and everything, it will settle, so that it won't sit that high. Nice.